I have always been of a belief that I lived a normal life. I encountered problems when the ancestors came with their own problems. I needed to sort those problems out so that I could go back to living my normal life as I remember it. It took me a very long time for my ancestors to come through and tell me that what you have done, siyabonga, usigezile, you have done everything that we asked of you. You have actually cleansed all of us. From here onwards, whoever passes on, it's going to be easy, because all you will need to do is just cleanse them same time and send them back to God. Also, what you need to do when, as you are still living, you must, whatever method you are using, it must be something that is godly. It must be something that is full of positivity. It mustn't be something that is going to mess up all this work and all the journey that you have gone through. As long as you understand that the Spirit is seeking the light, if uyibambe lapho ukuthi uma sesingasekho asisenayo into yokwenza la emhlabeni. The only reason why we come back is because we have problems. But once those problems are sorted out, once we are cleansed off, we need to be released. And one day I think we are going to be surprised when we die and we find out that once we are on the other side, we are looking forward, we are not looking backwards. We only look backwards when we have problems. And when we come back and we ask for help, it's simply because we want to be sent back to God. It's hard. We are not getting there. We are not seeing the light. That is the only reason why we come back. We do not come back to stay.